Welcome back to Money Bus everyone. In this video, we'll be talking about the 15 stocks who has announced their ex-dividend date on July 2021. Ex-dividend date is the date before which you have to buy the stocks of the company in order to get the dividend payment. Dividend is always based on the face value of a company. The face value of a stock is its original value when the company raises the funds for the first time. Since dividend is based on face value, you have to first understand the concept of dividend yield. The formula of dividend yield is dividend yield equals dividend per share divided by market value multiplied by 100. As always, let's go to Tickertip and see the stocks which are paying dividend in July 2021.
Federal Bank Limited is currently trading at 83.85 rupees and the 30-day high is 89.40 rupees while the 30-day low is 81.25 rupees. Looking into the dividend details, the dividend per share is 0.7 rupees and the announcement was on 28th May 2021. The ex-dividend date is fixed on 1st July 2021 and the dividend yield is 0.89%. Sundaram Finance Limited. Sundaram Finance Limited is currently trading at 2,658.55 rupees while the high in the last 30 days is 2,708.90 rupees while the low was 2,371.05 rupees. Regarding the dividend per share is 6 rupees and the announcement was on 28th May 2021 while the ex-dividend date is fixed on 1st July 2021 and the dividend yield is 0.22%. Mindtree Limited. Mindtree Limited is currently trading at 2,472 rupees and the high made in the last 30 days is 2,525 while the low made was 2,075.40 rupees. The dividend per share is 78.5 rupees and the announcement was on 16th April 2021. The ex-dividend date is fixed on 5th July 2021 and the dividend yield is 0.7%. JSW Steel Limited. JSW Steel is currently trading at 670.60 rupees while the high in the last 30 days is 737.20 rupees and the low was 656.10 rupees. The dividend per share is 6.5 rupees. The dividend per share is rupees 6.5 and the announcement was on 21st May 2021. The ex-dividend date is fixed on 5th July 2021 and the dividend yield is 0.96%. Looking into Bajaj Finance Limited. Bajaj Finance Limited is currently trading at 6,087.05 rupees and the high in the last 30 days was 6,249.0 rupees and the low was 5,545.0 rupees. The dividend per share is 10 rupees and the announcement was on 2021 April 27th. The ex-dividend date is fixed on 8th July 2021 and the dividend yield is 0.16%. Bajaj Auto Limited. Bajaj Auto Limited is currently trading at 4,167.10 rupees and the high in the last 30 days is 4,347 while the low is 4,030 rupees. The dividend per share is 140 rupees and the announcement date was on 29th April 2021. The ex-dividend date is fixed on 8th July 2021 and the dividend yield is 3.35%. Bajaj Holdings and Investment Limited is currently trading at 3,520 rupees and the 30-day high is 3,677 rupees and the low made is 3,455 rupees. The dividend per share is 40 rupees and the announcement was on 29th April 2021 and the ex-dividend date is fixed on 8th July 2021 and the dividend yield is 1.13%. The final stock from the Bajaj Group, Bajaj Finserv Limited. Bajaj Finserv Limited is currently trading at 11,999.35 rupees and the 30-day high is 12,208 and the 30-day low is 11,095 rupees. The dividend per share is 3 rupees and the announcement date was on 28th April 2021 and the ex-dividend date is fixed on 8th July 2021. The dividend yield is 0.02%. Indian Bank is currently trading at 139.95 rupees and the high in the last 30 days is 149.45 rupees and the low is 124 rupees. The dividend per share is 2 rupees and the announcement was on 28th May 2021 and the ex-dividend date is fixed on 8th July 2021 and the dividend yield is 15.77%. Mahindra & Mahindra is currently trading at 781.55 rupees and the high in the last 30 days is 853 rupees while the low is 773.10 rupees. The dividend per share is 8.75 rupees while the announcement was on 28th May 2021. The ex-dividend date is fixed on 15th July 2021 and the dividend yield is only 1.11%. Cheviot Company Limited. Cheviot Company Limited is currently trading at 1,503 rupees and the 30-day high is 1,570 rupees while the low is 1,085 rupees. The dividend per share is 175 rupees and the announcement was on 17th May 2021. The ex-dividend date is fixed on 15th July 2021 and the dividend yield is 1.11%. And the dividend yield is 11.6%. About India Limited. About India Limited is currently trading at 16,536 rupees and the high in the last 30 days was 16,630 while the low is 15,832. The dividend per share is 120 rupees and the announcement was on 18th May 2021 and the ex-dividend date is fixed on 19th July 2021 and the dividend yield is only 0.72%. Looking into Bosch Limited is currently trading at 15,211.30 rupees while the 30-day high is 16,250 rupees and the low was 14,357.05 rupees. The dividend per share is 150 rupees while the announcement was on 20th May 2021. The ex-dividend date is fixed on 12th July 2021 and the dividend yield is 0.75%. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories Limited. Dr. Reddy is currently trading at 5,283.90 rupees. The 30-day high is 5,515 rupees while the 30-day low is 5,150. The dividend per share is 25 rupees and the announcement was on 14th May 2021. The ex-dividend date is fixed on 9th July 2021 and the dividend yield is 0.47%. Last and the final one, Mahindra Logistics Limited. Mahindra Logistics is currently trading at 574 rupees and the high in the last 30 days was 611.95 rupees and the low was 521 rupees. The dividend per share is 2.5 rupees and the announcement was on April 29th, 2021 and the ex-dividend date is fixed on 19th July 2021 and the dividend yield is only 0.43%.
If you have liked the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.